gentlemen, welcome to Faro, 30 minutes ahead of schedule. The local time is now 10 minutes to 10 and the outside temperature is 16 degrees. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete standstill and the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. To avoid injury, take care when opening the overhead lockers as the contents may have moved during the flight and could fall out. Please take all your personal belongings with you, remembering to check the seat pockets, floor area and overhead lockers before leaving. We would like to remind you that carriage of dangerous goods in any baggage is prohibited. Our ground staff, Ground Force Portugal, will now take care of you. Please ask them if you require any assistance. And smoking restrictions still apply until you reach a designated smoking area. When you next fly with us, don't forget you can pre-select your seats if you book online, including extra legroom seats, which offer an additional 6 inches of legroom. We are pleased to announce that our scheduled flights for summer and winter 2010 are now on sale and include new services from Luton to Bodrum and Dalaman in Turkey. Full details on all our flights and the best fares to Spain, Portugal, Gibraltar, Cyprus, Turkey and the Canary Islands can be found at monarch.co.uk. We thank you for flying with us today and we look forward to welcoming you on board a Monarch flight again soon. On behalf of Captain Ian Crawford and the rest of the crew, we'd like to wish you a safe onward journey and an enjoyable stay. Thank you and good morning.